Hello everyone, this is a very quick and easy deep mauve pink and silver liquid eyeshadow eye makeup look. If you're interested in knowing how to get this eye makeup look, then please continue watching. I'm picking this eyeshadow from palette Folklore. Link to this palette is in the description box below. I'm using Sigma E33 brush and packing eyeshadow on my crease. Move the brush back and forth and in circular motion on your crease. I'm moving towards my outer V slowly. After you pack on your crease, apply the same on your outer V. Next, I'm picking this chocolate brown eyeshadow and packing on my outer V to intensify it. Mix it with the crease eyeshadow along with outer V. Move it towards the crease. Keep moving the brush in circular motion to blend the eyeshadows. It will take time for two eyeshadows to blend. Move the brush in circular motion. Intensity should be greater on your outer V. I'm intensifying it further here, applying chocolate brown eyeshadow. Dust after you apply and begin blending. Move the brush in circular motion. After this, I would be using this silver liquid eyeshadow. This liquid eyeshadow is from Color Gel. Link to this liquid eyeshadow is in the description box. It's very pigmented. I'm dispersing using wand that comes with liquid eyeshadow. To sharpen my crease line, now I'm using brush. I'm using flat brush from PAC, it's 383. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. Before it dries, you have to pull it towards the outer V to blend it with outer V. Push the chocolate brown eyeshadow towards the silver liquid eyeshadow to blend it with the silver liquid eyeshadow. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm using a liquid eyeliner. After creating winged eyeliner, I would be creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye. Be very careful when you're creating pointed inner corner. This takes practice. Practice multiple times, you'll be able to achieve it. Pull the line downwards, take it slowly inwards, and you're done. Next, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. After this, I'm smudging kajal on my lower lash line. I'm using chocolate brown eyeshadow and mix of the first eyeshadow. Mix both the eyeshadows and begin applying on your lower lash line. The kajal also should get smudged and the traces of both the eyeshadows should be visible on your lower lash line. Next, I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes while coating mascara. Move the wand in upward direction 4 to 5 times, and when you're coating mascara on your lower eyelashes, hold the wand vertically. Individual eyelashes are targeted if you hold the wand vertically, and it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup look, if you found this tutorial helpful, if you found this eye makeup look easy to create, then please subscribe my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.